Hi everyone. So today in this video we are going to practice on the 10 Excel productive hacks with example. In this video we are practice the pivot table, how to create the project progress, some tricks, how to remove the duplicates, how to split the text to column, short, filter, everything. Okay, so let's start the today video. We have the practice on the OneDrive Live. It's little bit different from the My Office 365. So don't worry, we can fix everything in the OneDrive Live. So let's start. So here we have the sample data, and this is the sample data. What says the first column is the employee ID, employee's name, department, position, city name, monthly salary, annual bonus, total annual income, joining date, and status. Here you can see that this data we are created by the ChatGPT. Before the analyze this data, check it out that this data is correct, we are blank, any blank, extra space, something else. Date format, you should be check it out. Okay, so here you can see the date format is not same, so you can fix from the chat GPT. Okay, so at this moment we are practice the pivot table, pivot chart with this sample data. Okay, so here what we need to do here, the first this data is look pretty messy, so let's fix it out. So for this, control plus A, and here the right side the option is format option. Just click, and here you can see the auto fit row height and column. So if you are the Microsoft Office 365 you are using, so there the shortcut key is the Alt HOA. Okay, so you can fix the width and height of cell. So I select this auto fit column, and again I go, and here the format option and auto fit row height. Okay, now again we need to the fix, so just control plus A, and I want to change the alignment. So here the test alignment, and I want to see the center. The one more thing we can do, the if you have the keep updating this data, so you need to do this data convert into the table, because we don't need to the waste time the fix the formatting of this data. So control plus A, control plus L, yet T, convert into the table, and this data successfully convert into the table. So here you can see that this data now looks pretty messy, pretty good, and here the table design option is here. Okay, so here you can see if you want to change the style, so here option. So you can change the any style according you. So here you can see. So now this data is now transparent, clear, and understandable. Okay, so we have under the table design the refresh all, insert the slicer. Okay, slicer equal to filter. Understood? So this is the advanced. So try it the everything the option, and here the remove duplicates, everything option is here. Okay. Now how to create the pivot table and chart on this data. So here select any cell, insert option, and pivot table, and from the table range. Here dialog box is open, create pivot table. So table design, table range name is here, and we have the two options where we want the report. So basically, new worksheet, of course the new and existing, we can select the any cell and we can create the pivot table with this sheet. So for our understanding, we let's move the new worksheet and press OK. Now here you can see the pivot table field in right side, and the pivot table, the diagram is here. Now I want to check the how many employees are here. Where is our sheet here? So I want to check the how many. I want to check the status how many the employees active on leave and resign. So with this pivot table we can check it out. Okay, so for this I select this status, and you can drop it, yeah, drag, and okay, and yeah, you can select the scene, and here you can see easily the status. So how many employees are active? 28, on leave 6, and resign 6. Okay, so if this is a quickly analyze. Now the thing is the how to create the pivot chart. So simply you need to select this, insert, okay, and open the drop down and select this, and you can see the pivot table is here. Pivot table, pivot chart. I just made the mistake, but yeah, see here that this is the pivot chart. Now, the what you can do here, you can remove the title. Yeah, you want to the add. So chart tab is here, and you can add the title, Excel, legend, data label, data table. Everything is here. Even you can change the color. I don't like this color, so we can change the color. I'm going to see the active in green, and one moment, I just enter black and click here. But I want to see the in the green, so just keep it the in white and see. If you want to the change the color in the fill the color the green, so you can green. Okay, so you can change the color. So I want to the leaf want to the change the leaf color. So here fill with the red. So here you can see. No, but just one moment. I just change only this format, and format option is here, so we can change. Okay, so here the outline I just check it out the green, because the OneDrive I'm using the OneDrive Lite, so this the little bit the I want to separate only let's check it out the bearish, just format and white. Okay, so you can change. So we have the basically we have the colors, and I'm trying to change only this different color, but I think I some error. What's going on? Fill the color with the mm, red. Okay. Okay, I understood. Actually, all are select. That's why, and just the errors. Error. I just create the okay, because this again the select the all, so that's why the all are green. Okay, now here you can see, because I'm checking the what's going on. So, but yeah. So here we can the change color, and you can change the two in yellow, yeah, something else in color. So I choose the yellow, and you can see. Okay, so with this way we can just show our the parameters, our the data insights. Okay, and another example we can check it out. So remove the field from the status. remove the field, right click and remove field. Okay, and remove the field, remove field. Okay, now here what we can do, here the just drag it the in the department in the row. Okay, so here you can see, and I want to check the annual income department wise, so drop it in the value. So where is the value? So here you can see, and the automatically create the our pivot chart. See, okay, so with this way we can the share the insight with our stakeholders, clients, manager, whatever. Okay, so with this way you can create the pivot table and pivot chart. So pivot chart is really interactive and clearly transparent, so you can remove the chart and done. Okay, so I think that is really helpful for every Excel user. Next, we have the another example, the how to create the project progress. So here the project ID, task name, assigned to start date and date, and we need to create the status, progress, and here the remark already is here. Okay, so what I want here, when I the check here, so progress I can see, I able to see. Okay, so for this, select this the column, control shift down arrow, and go to the insert option and checkbox. So we are successfully the insert the checkbox. So when I check here, so you can see. Okay, so we can change the color if we want. So I want to the change color. Go to the home tab and blue. I think I changed this one. Okay, so we can change blue and double click. So you can see the color format. So we need to drag it. Okay, okay. So remove it. See. Now, progress how we can show. So equal, if function here we use, select this and equals to type true. Okay, comma. Here the second parameter was says value if true what you want to show. So I want to show the completed. Double quotation, comma, double quotation, and type the pending if is false. Double quotation, close parenthesis, and hit enter. And select this cell and here the double click. Formula is copied all cell. So when I check here, so you can see the completed. So that it. See. Okay, so with this way, you can create the project, the progress report. Yeah, you can say the to-do list, your habit, anything you can track with this way. Let's move the next trick. So we have the item ID, item name, category, quantity, unit price. Total price, how we can know? So equal, select this, asterisk sign, this, select this, and hit enter. And double click. So here complete. Now I want to see the total. So alt equal. So this is about the total. Now here I want to see the fruit total price, only fruit. So here we can use the sum if function. Sum if for single condition, single criteria. Okay, so select this range. So here what you want here, Here I select, I want to the fruit, so that's why we select this column. Okay, comma, criteria is my fruits, in double quotation, comma, total, so total is here, so select this column. Okay, and oh, done, and close parenthesis and hit enter. So here you can see that fruit, only fruit, total price is 70,000. Okay, so with this way you can quickly analyze your data. The next is the contact number. We have the some contact number, but I want to hide the some number starting the six digits. So how we can equal concatenate. Here we use double quotation. Use the six time asterisk sign. Okay, double quotation, comma, right function we use here. Select this. Select again the text, comma, type 4 because I want to see only the rest 4 digit. Two time parenthesis and hit enter. So here you can see the successfully you hide the mobile number. Okay, select this and double click. Copy the formula. Actually, the done. Okay, I think I will use the next row. That's why. So it's okay. We can drag it so you can see. Okay, so just drag it. See. Actually, my mouse is not working the properly, so it's troubling me. But yeah, I'm trying to do. See, okay. So here you can see that we can hide the starting digits. Let's move the how to text join and text separate. So here I want to the separate the first name and last name. So how I can do? So here we use the Aman and Verma. Okay, type, and here the next cell control plus E and control plus E. So successfully you can separate the name first and last name. But if you want to join, so you can use the same process, Aman Verma and control plus E. Done. But if you don't, you are the more, yeah, the control plus E function is not working in your the micro of Excel, so you can do instead equal text join function. Okay, delimiter double quotation two times, comma. Here we use the true. Okay, but I just skip and text. So I select this text, okay, and close parenthesis and hit enter so you can see. Okay, so text join, flash fill, you have the two options you can do. Let's move the next our product to have. So here we have the some remarks and I want to see the unique values. So what I want here, I just copy the two things. This column. Oh my God. Okay. Remove this and the select column and paste. Now here we use the equal unique function and simply select this range and hit enter, and here you can see the unique values here. Okay, And another option is here. Another option you have, select the control shift down arrow, data tab, and remove the duplicates and press OK. And OK. So you can see. So you have the two options to find the unique values. Yeah, you can say the remove the duplicates. Okay. Another thing is here, if you want to the check the, yeah, you want to the highlight, so you can highlight too. Select this condition formatting, highlight option, and duplicate values. So you want to see in the red color, so you can, and done. So here is messy. So I think there is the different things and it's not going right. But yeah, you can do. You can use the condition formatting too. So we have the three options. Okay. So something is error, but yeah. Okay. Let's move the another the attendance sheet. So we have the attendance sheet name Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. But I want to see the only accent. So how I can see? So simply select this. Okay. Okay. Select condition formatting. We go highlight and equals to, and here type accent, and you can choose the color any and done. See. So you quickly the check, yeah, you can say that you can highlight the you what you want to see in this data. So basically I highlight the accent here. Okay, so you can choose the color according to you. Let's move the short. How to short? So I want to short this data based on salary equal short function. Select this short array. So select this array and control press down arrow for back control back space. Okay. So first parameter is complete comma. Now here we use the 6 because we want to the short based on salary comma minus 1 for descending order comma false short by and close parenthesis and hit enter. And here you can see we are short the data. So highest is 70,000. Okay, so you can short this data easier way. Now the second thing is the how to filter the data. So filter, how to filter, I remove this. So this is done. Now how to filter? So you have the two options. The first option is what? First option is equal filter. Okay. Array. So simply select this array. Array means select the entire data. Comma. Include. I want to the filtered data department wise. So simply I select this department column. Okay. Equal double quotation type cells double quotation close parenthesis and hit enter. And this error because the we are select the C2. So that's why is C1. So it depend over the how we range selecting. So here you can see the cells data is filtered. but you don't want to use the filter function. Yeah, this is the really messy. Yeah, you don't want. So another option is control plus A, control plus L, convert this data into table, and table design, go to table design tab and insert the slicer, and I want to see the department wise. So here you can see the slicer option is here, and I want to see only the sales data. So here you can see the sales data. Select this and you can see. Okay, so this is the advanced feature in Excel. So you can use without using the filter function. Next, our the productive hack. Here you can see this data, and this data we need to space into the column. How? So for this, select this entire data tab, split the text to column, and here you can see. So what you need to do here, the old data is here, but remember the how data separated. So here you can see the bar option. Okay, so select the custom and add the bar sign and apply, and you can see your data successfully split in column. Just yeah, select and home tab, and you can the fix column. Right. Done. So this is the really helpful when you got you get the data from the third party CSV, yeah, any software. That time you can use. So in this video we learned how to create the pivot table, pivot chart, how we can create the project progress report. Yeah, you can the habit, a to-do list. We understand the two trick in Excel, how we can get the total particular the category, and how we can hide the digit of mobile. Text join, how to text join, yeah, how to use the separate with the flash fill. Unique value, yeah, remove the duplicate, yeah, you can highlight. Okay, attendance sheet, how to highlight the absent, yeah, present, something else. Okay, so you can highlight how to use a sort and filter, slicer, and last split the text to column in this video. So 10 productive hack in Excel. Every Excel user should be know and aware and day-to-day use to enhance your efficiency at work. So that's about this video. I hope this video helps. Thank you for watching this video. Keep practicing. See you in next video.